Welcome back, everyone. Bring your hands above your head, in front of your heart. Come, let's start from a very great pose for a stretch. We call it puppy pose. When you breathe here, see if you could breathe through your rib cage. Let your rib cage slide forward into Sphinx pose. So you could bend your elbows, leaning on your belly, rubbing yourself up onto your forearms. Roll those shoulders back, lifting up. I'm pushing top of the feet, also pushing my pubic bone. So my belly is engaged and slightly lift off the floor. Makes the pose a little bit more active. Pulling your heart forward. Exhale. And 1 minute. Let's press back to child pose. Hips back. And from here, we're gonna do threading the needle pose. Right hand under the left. Right arm this time extends up overhead. Coming back to the center, let's find rabbit. I love this pose. Hold on to your heels and keep your shoulders lifted away from the floor. And let's release. Let's come lay down on the back. For a bridge pose, lift your hips all up, squeeze your belly, your abdominal, down and up. You can try to lift your heels as well. And down on the mat. Do the butterfly pose with your legs, and from here try to reach between your legs with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice one. One more. Come all the way up to. Nice. Bring your knees to your chest. Rock all the way up. Come back up. And upward facing dog. Exhale to release. Hands in front of you. Yes, prep yourself for a dolphin pose. Walk your legs in down dog. working on strengthening the upper body. Keep pressing your chest. You can bend the knees one by one here. Draw the belly in and up. And bring your knees down to the floor. Give yourself a few seconds to rest. From here, let's go for a one-sided camel pose. Left hand back, right hand up. Give yourself a nice big stretch and relieve. To the other side, right hand down, left arm up. And let's release. Find a little cactus shape with your hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, contract and roll in. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Continue with your own speed. Take two more. And last one. Sitting up tall. Let's drop the right ear to the right shoulder. You can stay as you are, or you could hold the neck with the opposite hand and find sensation with your left hand. You can roll your chin down so it's angled differently. And lifting up, sinking to the other side. Left ear to the left shoulder. Maybe use the left hand to hold your neck, maybe not. Notice if you're clenching your jaw. Let it go and release it. And roll your chin down towards the shoulder. Coming all the way back to the center. Let it go. If you yawn like me a lot, release it and exhale out. Sitting tall. Let's take a sitting posture the way you feel comfy on the mat. Cross-legged, half lotus, or full lotus. Drop your chin to the chest. Hands rested on your knees. Hands can be in mudra, palms up, or anything. Let's take a deep inhale from the belly. Bring it all the way up to your chest, to your throat, through the nose. When you let it go from the nose, chest, and then belly. Let's continue with your own speed. Inhale through the belly. belly coming forward, chest coming up and through the nose, letting go, nose, chest, belly, all the way. One more time. Let's stretch those hands. Bob the head, bring your hands in front of your heart. Namaste, everyone. Thank you for following the videos, the 10 minutes yoga sessions. Um, I have noticed that so many people are leaving comments, and it's it's great to have a community because when I started the channel, yeah, I didn't know what to do. I'm happy that I have this now, and I'm grateful for you. So let's close this session with a chant of Om. Inhale through the nose, and when you exhale, chant Om. Inhale through the nose. I hope you have a nice rest of the day. Keep following the videos. Tuesday, 8 a.m. each week. So, see you then.